Hello, today is week 6, day 1. This week's strategy is called Monitor Comprehension. When you monitor your comprehension, you pay attention to how well you understand what you're reading. The instructions say, stop at the end of each paragraph. What do you remember? The title says, Under the Waves. Have you ever wondered how it feels to ride in a submarine? This kind of boat can go under the water. The captain makes it go left or right. He makes it go up and down. Some submarines can dive down to the bottom of the sea. When I read the title, I thought about lots of things that could be under the waves. I wondered which one the passage was going to be about. When I read the first sentence, I found out that the passage was about submarines. I stopped after I read the rest of the first paragraph, and I asked myself, what did I remember? I monitored my comprehension. There are many kinds of submarines. Some are very big, others are small. Some have tall windows for people to look through. What do you remember from that paragraph? There are all different kinds of submarines. Some are big and some are small. People who ride in submarines can see many beautiful things. They see bright coral with colors like jelly beans. They see tiny, shiny fish swimming around the coral. They see great sea animals like whales. They see sharks and eels. What do you remember about that paragraph? In submarines, you see beautiful things like sharks and whales, shiny fish. It is safe inside the submarine. There is enough air for people to breathe. The air is not too warm or too cold. The people inside have food to eat. Those who go on long trips even have places to sleep. What do you remember about that paragraph? It's safe. It's kind of comfortable. They have food in there. They have places to sleep. The air is the right temperature. Submarines help us learn about the wonders of the sea. They show us parts of the sea other boats cannot. This says, tell a partner 3 things you remember about submarines. What does the title tell you about submarines? Where they go, how they move, who rides in them, what they look like. It was called Under the Waves. So would that be where they go, how they move, who rides in them, or what they look like? Number 2, what is true about submarines? People ride in submarines. Submarines catch whales. Submarines are all the same size. Submarines are filled with cold air. Number 3, which one tells that coral is pretty? A, it lives in the sea. B, it grows in groups. C, it has bright colors. D, it is looked at by people. So if you don't remember you can scan. Let's look at the page. See if we can scan and see the word coral. Here is coral. So you should go ahead, and there's coral too. You could read around this area to help you know what the answer would be for number 3. The passage is about a kind of bed, boat, fish, or food.